This is the Solana price on the 5-minute time frame, and this is an indicator that almost never loses a trade. Watch how accurate these signals are. The indicator's win ratio is over 85%, which is mind-blowing. It gives easy-to-follow buy and sell signals with profit targets and stop losses. Despite its simplicity, the indicator is highly profitable. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a 90% plus winning rate trading strategy with this magic tool. Before we proceed, if you're looking to make passive income day-to-day, I highly recommend Pionex trading bots. Thousands of traders copy these bots and achieve significant gains in their accounts. You can be one of them. Pionex bots are smart, tireless, and always looking for the best trading opportunities. They've got a bot for every trading style. The platform is extremely user-friendly and secure at the same time. Join Pionex today, and let's make your crypto trading experience not just profitable, but a whole lot of fun. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial. So, I am currently viewing the Solana price chart on the 5-minute time frame. To add this indicator to the chart, open the indicators and search for the Imbalance Algo by ImbaTrader. The Imbalance Algo is a trend-following indicator based on Fibonacci retracement. Unlike traditional ATR-based indicators that issue buy and sell signals when price closes above or below the ATR level, the Imbalance Algo gives entry signals when at least one candle closes above the 0.236 Fibonacci level for long trades, or below the 0.786 level for short trades. In general, when the indicator band is green and the price moves above it, the market is heavily controlled by buyers. When the price moves below the line and the line is green, this signals the weakness of an uptrend and a potential trend shift. On the other hand, when the band is red and the price moves below it, this indicates a strong, bearish trend. As soon as the price closes above the red band, the market starts slowing down. Another super handy feature of this indicator is its backtest panel. With this panel, you can dynamically view the results of the current strategy's performance, such as the win ratio, the number of closed trades, the winning and losing streaks, the account balance, and the total profit made. These features make it easier for you to track all the data needed for building a profitable trading strategy. The total profit made is indicated as a percentage of the initial deposit. It is also worth considering that all profit calculations are based on a risk percentage. You can adjust the risk percentage in the indicator inputs. It is strongly recommended to risk no more than 5% of your account balance per position. Here, you can also change the initial account balance. For example, if you're planning to start trading with 1,000 USD, simply set this value to 1,000. At the top of the inputs, there is an option to select a different trading strategy. For example, if we change the current strategy to a 15-minute one, we will see that the win rate changes. You can customize the indicator depending on the time frame and security and save your template for future use. For Solana, I'll keep the strategy manual. You can also adjust the signal sensitivity. Keep in mind that with good settings, the indicator works great on any market and any time frame. If we scroll down, we can see more customization options for money management. These are particularly useful. Depending on your trading strategy, you can set a fixed stop loss or an automatic one based on market volatility. When it comes to taking profit, you can select the percentage of the position to take off once the price reaches a particular target. For example, when the price hits TP1, 40% of the position is taken off. When the second target is reached, another 30% of the position is closed. This cutting-edge money management system allows you to increase your winning rate as well as decrease the drawdowns. However, you can still use more simplistic trade management. I personally like to set the TP1 at 2 with 50% of the position being closed once the price reaches it. The TP2 is set to 4 with the rest of the position closed. This money management leads to a lower win rate, however the profit is much higher. Look at these trades. Some of them could have increased the account size quite significantly in a short amount of time. I strongly recommend playing around with these parameters to really find the best ones that work for you. So, how does the indicator work in practice? When there is a strong buying interest and the market forms large bullish candlesticks, the trend changes from bearish to bullish. A buy signal is generated in the form of a green triangle. The indicator displays entry price, stop loss price, and take profit price automatically. If the price moves in your favor and reaches the first take profit target, the stop loss is adjusted to the break-even price. More often than not, the price will trigger a stop loss and the position will be closed. However, sometimes the price reaches all targets. As I mentioned earlier, you can adjust the distance from the entry price to the take profit target price in the indicator's inputs. When there is a strong selling pressure and the lower Fibonacci level gets broken, the indicator produces a sell signal. Right away, the Imbalance Algo gives stop loss and take profit recommendations. Set the stop loss at the red line. When the price reaches the first TP, move the stop loss to the entry price and take 50% of your position. At this point, you have nothing to lose. When the price reaches your final target, close the trade. As we can see, this trade resulted in a nice win. To stretch the indicator's accuracy even further, I recommend adding another trend filter to the chart that would eliminate sell signals in a long-term bullish trend and cancel buy signals during a heavy sell-off. Notice, when the price trends upwards, any sell signals that occur during this time barely reach the profit targets. Most of them result in break-even or loss. For the second confirmation indicator, I recommend adding an oscillator instead of another overlay tool like a moving average, etc. I found an excellent oscillator called Trend Strength Over Time by this creator right here. This simple yet effective filter will cancel buy and sell signals that go against the prevailing market sentiment. The oscillator is neither too slow nor too fast. It's just right. When the oscillator reading is above the baseline, the market is trending upwards. Any sell signals that occur during an uptrend are invalid. When the oscillator reading is below the baseline, the market is trending downwards. No buy trades are allowed during this time. Generally, a buy signal given by the Imbalance Algo tool is valid if the oscillator reading is above 0 at the time of entry. Watch how this simple rule in place cancels potential losing trades. The same rule applies to short signals. If the oscillator reading is below 0 at the time of the signal, entry is confirmed. Traders, give these indicators a try and let us know in the comments if you have any ideas or suggestions on how to optimize this trading strategy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.